Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're going to take a look at the Litecoin. Straight to the point, aiming for some kind of breakout from this region. So let's take the highlighter. This is the point where we are expecting to see the breakout. As soon as we get the breakout, first target area would be this weekend gap here, which would give us, I think, like, I won't even think, maybe 2% of market price movement with a risk reward ratio being 1 to 2 basically, because stop loss would be somewhere in this region. So there is a pretty decent opportunity for a long position, because as many of you know, CME gaps or the weekend gaps tend to be filled pretty quickly. So for example here, this whole area here, we didn't fill it quickly, but still rather quick. Filled, and so on. So everywhere we go, we are filling this gap. Now, one thing, when there are strong trend reversals similar to this one here, where we dipped from almost like from 84 to 55, there is not going to be any kind of like a CME gap fill. So CME fills will be working just when we are in the accumulation or a distribution areas, because we are still in the bearish market. So of course we won't see this big fill here. So that being said, still this one expected to be filled, and as of now waiting for the breakout from this area. Once we get the breakout, this will be the area we are going to look for any kind of breakout opportunities, with the target being this region. Once we are here, this is going to be a potential distribution zone, and after that a potential downside momentum movement. Now it highly depends on what kind of market structure break area we will see near this area, and even if we will see the market structure break area. So of course the ideal setup would be if we have the price moving here, some distribution area, up and down movement, and then a momentum of the downside movement. And this would be of course the market structure break area for us. So that being said, expecting for now, let's put it into perspective of the positions. Long position with a potential of at least 2% market price movement, or up to like 3% of market price movement, risking just 1.1%. So risk reward ratio is 2 to 2.5, something like this. And then from this area we're going to look for any kind of market structure break area, which then would give us opportunity of movements like 4.6%, with the risk reward ratio being 1 to 3. So nothing really complicated. The CME gap still acts as a magnet here, and most probably we are going to just fill this upper resistance area, small resistance area, where we might see some kind of struggle. Now if we break out, then we are going to just zoom out, look where is the next approximate resistance area, and then just wait for this area to be filled and maybe some kind of rejection to form near this region. And from this area, 110% I think we would be looking for a short position if we reach this zone. But as of now, long here, wait for distribution, look for market structure break area, and go for a short position. So that's it for the Litecoin. As always, if you like this video, I'm going to wait for your comments, and I will catch you in the next video. See ya.